get ready with me for the first day of summer, and then also I'm gonna do like a get to know me or whatever little thing. No cuts because I don't have time to keep tapping the screen while doing my skincare. My hair looks good. I just braided it. Not a cute of it. But anyway, today is the first. It's not the first day of summer, but like, you know, my first day is summer. Because on Saturday I had to go to my sister's baby shower, and then Sunday, yesterday, and I was waiting for the full day because me and my crew don't school today, and then I have volleyball flex after June 1st. Also, you might have to do part 2 because my routine does not take 3 minutes. Like, I don't feel like I get done my skincare routine. It's also on my period. So yeah, we're gonna start with daytime now. Okay, so my name is Layla, and I am a country girl at heart. I'm not going to tell y'all the state I live in, but it's a very country state. Appalachia. I live in Appalachia. I'll say that. I'm not country, but like, I'm not like a city girl for real. My favorite movie is You're Still Not Invited to My Bar Mitzvah. I watched it and I just kept watching it. Like, I just loved the movie so much. The first time I watched it. My favorite color is purple, even though I have like no purple on right now. I play softball, volleyball, and maybe cheer and basketball. Oh, the camera just turned. Okay. And let me think. I like beauty a lot. I care about my beauty a lot. Like, sometimes you would think I care about my beauty a lot, but like, I don't show that in my actions sometimes. But I care about beauty a lot. We're gonna have to do part 2. So I love everything skincare, makeup. Makeup is a little bit issues. I used to love makeup, but I don't wear it as much now. Nails, self-care, everything beauty. We have 10 more seconds. We're about to go into part 2. And I'll tell you all my products.